Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies, and here are the headlines. Canadian health firm sells over 30 billion SHIB, terms Shiba Inu a scam. New lawsuit accuses Coinbase CEO of stealing from blockchain startup. Global crypto market up 6.9% at $2.28 trillion. Global stocks gain. Crypto Fight Club completes successful seed round. AnySwap rebrands to Multichain, raises $60 million in the latest funding round. Adidas Originals reaches second spot on OpenSea ranking with debut NFT. US to give back $154 million stolen by a Sony employee and invested in Bitcoin. China's internet giant Baidu registers its Metaverse trademark. Crypto staking company Figment becomes a unicorn in latest fundraise. A Canadian healthcare company asked the doctor offloaded more than 30 billion SHIBs and threatened to sue its founders after terming Shiba Inu as a scam. The online healthcare company, which bought 31 billion SHIB tokens in late November, has termed Shiba Inu as a sham, as SHIB founders failed to reveal their real identities. Remember, Satoshi Kusama is a scammer, hence he is using an alias. Stay tuned for a special interview on why we feel he's setting us all up for one of the biggest scams in history. The iClinic wrote after disclosing that they had sold all their SHIB holdings. The healthcare company said that they had sent emails to crypto exchanges including BINANCE, Kraken and Crypto.com about delisting SHIB, and they would be suing Shiba Inu co-founder Kusama for fraud and also reveal the true identities of the founders. A lawsuit has alleged that crypto exchange Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong stole from the rival blockchain startup. The lawsuit filed in San Francisco states that Armstrong apparently stole ideas while trying to invest in the startup. The lawsuit was filed by Mossbelt Labs on December 17th. Armstrong was reportedly working on a platform for publishing academic research, which made use of tokens that could be traded. These tokens would reward users for their efforts in the ecosystem, which was called Research Hub. The lawsuit claims that he learned of a platform called Knowledger, which was already pursuing a similar goal. It goes on to say that Armstrong became aware of Knowledger and offered financial investment with the additional offer of listing the tokens on Coinbase. Mousebelt Labs was another investor in the platform. In our following story, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency on the planet by market capitalization, jumped 7% to $48,854, while global shares gained as investors weighed the extent to which the Omicron coronavirus variant would hit economies around the world. Ether, also known as the silver of cryptocurrency, traded 6.48% higher at $4,023. The MSCI World Equity Index, which tracks shares in 50 countries, added 0.4%, while US stock futures were up 0.6%. The global crypto market capitalization was up 6.58% in the past 24 hours to $2.28 trillion, led by Bitcoin amid muted trading volumes. Bitcoin's dominance is currently at 40.91%, an increase of 0.28% over the day. The total volume in DeFi was currently at $14.05 billion, accounting for 14.67% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins at $75.96 billion made up for 79.30% of the total crypto market. Crypto Fight Club, a new and innovative NFT-enabled game that allows players to properly stake, battle opposing fighters, and even compete in championship events for real rewards, raised $2.7 million from a multitude of investment groups. The funds were raised from major investors including Shima Capital, GenBlock Ventures and subsidiaries D12, AU21, X21, Everse Capital and The Ring. Blockchain investment firm Shima Capital will provide comprehensive support to the Crypto Fight Club, assisting the name on everything from HR to large crypto connections and everything in between. AnySwap, a decentralized cross-chain swap protocol and bridge infrastructure, rebranded itself as Multichain and raised $60 million in a seed round funding. BINANCE Labs, the venture capital and incubation arm of the cryptocurrency exchange, led the funding round. Sequoia China, IDG Capital, Three Arrows Capital, Defiance Capital, Circle Ventures, Tron Foundation, Hypersphere Ventures, Primitive Ventures, Magic Ventures, and Hashkey were among the other investors in the latest funding round. The cross-chain agreement has more than 300,000 users, according to a press release. Public data shows that the total value locked up in the agreement is approximately $4.8 billion. Multichain will use the funds to expand its ecosystem and team, especially in the research on encryption algorithms, security, and user services. In the long run, Binance Smart Chain plans to promote Multichain as a bridge recommended by developers. In its debut weekend, the first NFT from Adidas Originals into the Metaverse project generated 11,391 Ethers worth over $43 million on OpenSea. Ranked by trading volume, this collection has earned second spot on OpenSea after RTFKT's Clone X and Takashi Murakami's collection. In collaboration with Bored Ape Yacht Club, Punk's Comic and G-Money, Adidas Originals co-created the digital asset and put up 30,000 copies of the same item for sale on December 17th. Almost 20,000 copies of the Phase 1 NFT have been sold so far. The US Department of Justice said it has taken action to return more than $154 million allegedly stolen from a Sony subsidiary by one of its Japanese employees who converted it into Bitcoin. According to a civil complaint, Rei Ishii, an employee of Sony Life Insurance Company Limited in Tokyo, diverted $154 million in May when the company attempted to transfer funds between its accounts. The money was diverted to an account Ishii controlled at a bank in La Jolla, California, and then he converted the funds into 3,879 bitcoins. The investment is valued at more than $180 million today, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of California. The funds were seized on December 1 following an FBI investigation. FBI investigators were able to obtain the private key, which is equivalent to a password, with the assistance from Sony, Citibank, and Japanese law enforcement. In our next story, Chinese companies are expanding into the metaverse despite recent warnings from the authorities. Chinese leading internet company Baidu said it has registered its metaverse trademark while sharing a glimpse of its metaverse world C-Rang. Another big Chinese company, NetEase Global, Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance, which is TikTok's parent company, have also applied for metaverse trademarks. The expansion of the Chinese companies into metaverse comes even as authorities now look to extend its crypto ban into the virtual reality space as well. Last week, the Chinese state media has issued a warning against the metaverse and cloud mining scams in lieu of misuse of metaverse terms by many scammers to lure more people. Well, that's all for the bulletins of this hour. Keep watching your favorite channel, Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.